No matter what we do, our future will be much warmer than it is now. Reports around the world stated that we were going to see climate change, an effect that cannot be changed or undone even if we take precautions. We will not see the climate change stabilize for 20 to 30 years. We will see sea levels continue to rise because of deep sea warming, and we will also see extreme weather effects around the world. The only hope we can see is that if the world is really able in the next 10 years to zero out our greenhouse emissions, we can prevent some of the most dire effects of global warming. Global warming. The phenomena of rising average air temperatures near the Earth's surface over the past 1 to 2 centuries. Climate scientists have been collecting precise measurements of numerous weather phenomena, such as temperatures, precipitation, and storms, and related impacts on climate, such as ocean currents and the chemical makeup of the atmosphere, since the mid-20th century. Estimation global warming. The expected temperature rise was based on a variety of scenarios that needed to consider future greenhouse gas emissions, mitigation, severity reduction initiatives, and model projection uncertainties. The precise involvement of feedback systems, as well as the effects of industrial pollutants known as aerosols, which may counterbalance some warming, are among the major unknowns. Greenhouse gas is any gas that absorbs infrared radiation, net heat energy, released from the Earth's surface and re-radiates it back to the Earth's surface, so contributing to the greenhouse effect. Throughout Earth's history, greenhouse gas concentrations have varied significantly, and these variations have resulted in significant climate shifts across a wide variety of durations. Greenhouse gas concentrations have been high during warm periods and low during cold periods in general. In order to limit global warming, the world must use energy more effectively while adopting sustainable energy sources to move, heat, and cool things. Energy use is by far the main source of greenhouse gas emissions from human activities on a global scale. Burning fossil fuels for energy for heating, power, transportation, and industry accounts for almost 2/3 of worldwide greenhouse gas emissions. Our energy use and production have a significant impact on the environment, and the opposite is becoming increasingly true. Climate change has the ability to modify our energy generation capacity, as well as our energy requirements. Advantages. Plant growth can be increased in Arctic, Antarctic, Siberia, and other frozen regions. The next ice age may be prevented from occurring. Less energy required to warm cold places. Mountains become more visible. Boundary disputes between countries over low-lying islands will disappear. In many plants, the concentration of antioxidants, such as vitamin C, increases significantly under higher levels of carbon dioxide. Higher levels of CO2 are a major health benefit. More productive fisheries in the Arctic due to the northward migration of cod and capelin, made possible by warmer weather. Greenhouse gases keep the Earth's surface at a more hospitable average temperature. Commuting will probably shift towards rail transport wherever possible. Disadvantages. Ocean circulation is disrupted, and this can affect the climate. Long dry spells lead to desertification. Changes to climate can lead to reduction in agricultural production, causing food shortage, and possible result can be starvation, malnutrition, and increased death. Higher sea level may cause deaths and disease from floods and property loss by evacuation. Extinction of other species cause an imbalance in the ecosystem. Water shortages in drought-prone areas. Increase in acidity of rainfall and air pollution may result in allergy and asthma in human. Permanent loss of glaciers and ice sheets and melt of permafrost leads to destruction of structures. More extreme weather and an increased frequency of severe and catastrophic storms. An increase in disaster means more to insurers.